Hey everyone, welcome back to today's Clean With Me video. Today's clean is a really big one and it's part of my spring cleaning series that's happening right now. I'm focusing on the basement today, starting off by cleaning my bar area, clearing off the counters, deep cleaning my walls, vacuuming, cleaning my floors, getting behind furniture into those nitty-gritty spots, and washing all of my bedding. I've got a few other things that you're also going to see.
That maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better.
If you're familiar with my channel, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and design. And if this is the type of content that you enjoy, I'd be super grateful if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. At me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. With two small kids and a third on the way, my cleaning and scrubbing is literally never ending. My walls seem to pay the biggest price and can get grimy, full of fingerprints real quick. My daughter is helping me today with deep cleaning this dirty wall in the family room. This wall is the main wall as well as the entrance from our back door that typically is just super grimy and super disgusting. It is definitely time to wash all of the bed sheets. So I'm going to go ahead, take off all of the bed sheets, the pillowcases and pillow protectors, and throw that into the wash. All of the whites will get bleached and they will sit in the bleach for a little bit long time to make sure that they are fresh, clean, and a super white before I put them back on there.
compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I see you in a while.
I went through all of my kids' recent school things that they brought. I disposed of the things that we no longer need. And I'm going to go ahead and put some of their books away into the office and put some of their crayons and things that they're not using into the storage shelf that I have in the office.
I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look.
A big part of today's clean is cleaning the floors and focusing on the floors. While I wash the floors regularly, I wanted to get behind the furniture and get into the nitty and gritty spots that I can't always get into. So I'm going to start off by vacuuming the floors before getting all of the mop water and everything ready and pulling out all of the furniture to make sure I get the floors and baseboards cleaned in those hard to reach spots.
Like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the
I was utterly disgusted with this spot right here behind the mini fridge. The mini fridge hasn't been pulled out in like a few weeks, maybe a few months even. So there is definitely a lot of small kids things in there like pencils. I've got scrunchies that I was picking up and just a lot of dirt and grime. So that was very exciting to clean. And I'm going to be using Sal Suds to clean the floors today. I love this product. It is good. It's supposedly environmentally friendly, but it smells so good and it does such a great job at cutting through on the dirt.
waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up.
We live in the Midwest, so it is still cold outside. This week has been a little bit chillier, still in the 30s, but it has been really sunny and really refreshing. In the next week, it should be in the 40s and 50s. I am waiting until it gets much warmer. probably April or May, and I will pull out all of my rugs to do a really good deep clean on them outside. But for now, it's just going to be floors and baseboards and things like that until it really warms up.
Baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit.
The leather on my couches is definitely deteriorating over time. We've had these couches, I think 12 years, and they are definitely beat up from the kids. I'm constantly cleaning them to get grime off of them, and they are just in a terrible condition at this point. However, I'm not getting new couches until we move. And even if we move, these will probably go maybe in the kids' playroom, play area, or maybe in the basement temporarily until we really get new furniture. But if you guys have any recommendations or products on how to get my tan leather couches super clean and kind of help restore them, I would be super grateful. Leave me a comment below. I love hearing from other people's recommendations and what you guys use and what works for you.
While you're going on about your simple life, nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting.
My daughter built a fort in half of the basement area, so I'm not touching that. I kept the bean bags. I was going to put those into storage, but she's been using those for her fort, so those can stay for a little bit longer. So like I said, only half of this basement I'm not going to touch. The other half where her little fort area is, because she would get so upset. She's worked so incredibly hard on making that fort area.
Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes.
It is so much work to do a more thorough clean, but it is so refreshing when you have a clean space and you know it's clean, like in every nook and cranny. I feel like it's a mental thing that I know my house or my basement area is super clean, and it's such a like inviting and welcoming feeling for me.
Here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. could have been, thinking I would know what the future bring. All the highs and lows, said I'm gonna win, though the world might spin. Now I'm sitting here like I'm no one. It rains down on me, all the phone calls I'm ignoring. See, I'm a mess, just trying to guess my way through this. Just don't get enough of me. Just don't get enough of me.
After mopping the entire basement area, you can see how incredibly dirty that water was. I will go over with the steam mop, but not today. I will probably go over with tomorrow. I am, however, just too beat up at this point. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put the things away on the countertops. I do have laundry going on from the bedding and other loads of laundry. As you can see down here, there's just piles of laundry. So this I will be getting to pretty soon, but I'm going to go ahead and put everything away, make sure everything is back into its place. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. I want to hear what you guys are doing today and what you are cleaning as well.